Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to get cat filter in your Snapchat. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your Snapchat. So from here you can able to find your cat filter. Or if you can't able to find it, then press on this search option. Now search for cat filter. Here you can able to find a lots of cat filter. You can choose one of them which you like. That's it. So this is how to get cat filter in your Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.